Hi guys, my name is Aditya. Niranjan did a last minute patent switch with me and asked me to present. I'm the CEO for Zipper. Very quickly, Zipper is like a shortcode for physical addresses. So let's dive right into the presentation. So what's the pain point? We did sort of an extensive survey, right? Talked to a whole bunch of people, tried to understand how much time they spend in explaining an address, and how much time does it take to write an address. And folks that are from India, you'll know that most of our addresses are a 4-line address peppered in with a landmark. And even after giving all of that information, usually people aren't able to get to you. So you spend a lot of time explaining to them on the phone. So if you look at how long did it take to build the Bandra Worli C-Link, it costs about 13,000 odd man hours. Bandra, sorry. And the Burj Khalifa is about 2,500 man hours. Now, if you look at the pain point of how to try to solve is 15,000 man hours. So now imagine the kind of time that you're spending without knowing, and it sort of adds up, right? Everybody, now I see a lot of grins in the room where you spend a lot of time explaining an address to somebody, and you're thinking this applies to me. You're part of that 15,000 man hours every year that folks in India are spending time explaining their address. So this is massive pain point, right? And it all sort of starts to add up. So what is Zipper? It's a new address format that looks like this. So my zipper is ADIT 7575 instead of this being my address. Right? So think of it like a 4-line address with landmarks and all of that stuff, and saying instead of that I say my zipper code is ADIT 7575. We have a live Android, iOS as well as a web app. So happy to share about how you create zippers. It's fairly straightforward. Happy to take questions right after the presentation. What's the value proposition? From a consumer standpoint, it's simple and beautiful address sharing platform, right? So you basically create a zipper and that's about it. You do it one time and then you share it with folks, right? It's a single place to manage all of your addresses, and you update it once. Let's say today I live in Hyderabad, tomorrow I relocate to Bangalore. I can just edit my zipper code to point to my new address in Bangalore without having to change my zipper code. So think of zipper as like this digital identity of your address that stays with you. And because Zipper is sort of an exact location on a map, a whole bunch of hyperlocal communities and all of that get opened up as a result of this. From a business or a merchant value, we're talking about effective order management, right? You call a Domino's, you probably give an address to them. Takes about 60 to 90 seconds to do that. But what if they took a Zipper and you're sort of done with it, and you know that he got the full address, because maps in an exact location, and on the street, on the field as well, right? So right now, delivery guys are not using smartphones, but it's only a matter of 12 to 18 months before you start seeing that happening. And if you could end up using Zipper end to end, right, from the time you placed an order to them to the delivery boys using it to end up at your doorstep. So that's sort of the world that we're envisioning. So in terms of ecosystem, think of it like simplifying M purchases, right? Mobile purchases. Imagine you had an e-commerce site. You said, this is the product I want to buy, cash on delivery, here's the zipper code, and done, right? So you don't have to enter all of this information that you do. What it also does to gifting is also very phenomenal, because you can gift something to somebody as long as you know their zipper code. And today we feel one of the biggest challenges, you think about, I don't know where he lives, did I get the full address, is it going to really go there? The whole bunch of questions that get talked about. Reduce delivery efforts. We've spoken to a whole bunch of delivery companies that said, route optimization, all of this will be tremendously valuable to us, and also the fact that they don't have to train their staff, right? For example, if you gave me 30 zipper codes and asked me to deliver in Ludhiana, I'll be able to do it. And today it's sort of a lot of local knowledge, a lot of personnel management that is required, training that is required. So we believe on the merchant side there's going to be significant value. And it's a better customer experience, right? No more calls, just deliveries. And clear differentiation from competitors. You can say, our e-commerce is 30% faster than somebody else's because, hey, we use a quicker way to identify your address. So just quickly wanted to show you the video. So we have the same video running at our booth as well. So if you want to come by, happy to show you. It's about a 70-second video, not a whole lot long. You can also see it on our website if this doesn't play out. Cool. I think that's fine. Thank you. Thank you, guys.